how to verify your identity with your ID.me. So once you are in this website, your Veterans Affairs, just go ahead and sign in. Once you press on sign in, make sure you choose the ID.me option. And of course, you already have your ID.me account ready, since it's going to be the account you're going to use to sign in. So sign into ID.me, choose your email and the password corresponding to your ID.me account, and then you will find something like this. Verify your identity. So once you've signed in with ID.me, you're going to have to verify yourself. So just go ahead and press on this button, verify with ID.me, and you're going to have to choose from two options. Either a self-service, you can upload a driver's license, state ID, passport, or the available options that they give you, or a video call. But you can choose whichever option you'd like. Let's say you chose the self-service. First, you're going to go ahead and put in your identity document. You can choose the available options and then your mobile phone number. You're going to have to upload your documents though. So let's say you chose a passport. You're going to have to take a photo of the front passport and the back of the passport. In this case, it's the driver license. So you're going to take a picture of the front and back. Of course, upload them on the corresponding slots. Once you've done with that, make sure the images that you sent were clear, nothing blurry or anything. Make sure it was clear to see, and then you can enter your social security number and then finish the rest of the verification by just putting in some personal information or just the general details that will allow you to verify yourself as the holder of the ID.me account. But once you've done all that, the verification process should be finished and you will be done with the process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.